Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of our chess series titled Chess and Entrepreneurship. Last week we talked about baiting, and this week we're going to talk about something different, which is build your castles carefully. Now this basically means patience. In the game of chess, you have to be patient. Put all your pieces in strategic positions before you attack. Same thing applies in business. In business, you don't want to just dive into it without understanding your product, understanding your prices, understanding your market and everything. Before you do that, it's advisable you have a good knowledge of the product, good knowledge of your market, good knowledge of your customers and all of that, which is very important. No matter how excited you are about the project, about the product, about the client base and about everything, the whole idea, you have to just have a good understanding of this. This is similar to what we talked about earlier, mastering the game, but this is in a different dimension. That's all for this week. I'll talk to you next week on something special, branding, which is going to be our last episode.